It's a habit or it's a tradition that we people during the summer season we love to visit the mountains because it is cold there. We love to visit the mountains to have some cool air because it's very hot in our region and we want to enjoy some coolness. But sometime while hiking you must have observed that few people they find it difficult to breathe properly because on high altitudes less oxygen is there, and we also feel that sometimes we take time to adjust in that environment. Automatically we are not able to adjust to that environment, we need some time. So these things, this phenomena that we take some time to adjust, that is known as the phenomena which we call as acclimatization. The changes that take place in the body of an organism over short period of time to adjust into the surroundings. We can also say the physiological, biochemical or anatomical modifications that are occurring within the lifetime of an individual organism that result from exposure to a naturally occurring environmental challenge. So these are the small time changes which take short time period. As we discuss about the adaptations, they are a long time change. There are changes in the anatomy as like structure or behavior of the organism, but acclimatization is a short term, short time taking change. Example of acclimatization, if we consider the humans who migrate permanently to a higher altitude naturally acclimatize to the new environment by developing an increase in the number of RBCs, the red blood cell, to increase the oxygen carrying capacity in the blood.